Hello, so this is a demonstration of how to use the new features for promoting multiple students at once to, or moving multiple students at once to a new class, and then also withdrawing one student from the class. So withdrawing the student is basically the same as archiving. We choose to use withdrawal just for terminology purposes. So running quickly into the demonstration, I'm just going to go over my class levels. So this is a demonstration account. So in this demonstration account, we're going to use class 4 for everything. So we go into the section for this class 4, and these 3 students are going to be what we're going to use for our testing or demonstration purposes. So we have run some promotions, and then assuming that we did some promotion previously, and like these 3 particular students, we need to move them to another class. So we can move one student or all 3 at the same time, and I'm going to show you the demonstration to move all 3 at the same time, which also works for moving just one student. So I click on Nancy, then I click over here in this pop-up on this, which is move students to another class. Once I click on it, it's going to bring me to this new pop-up here, where up at this place we could choose the new class that you're going to be placed in. So the new class that you're going to be placed in, you can choose any of these available classes to move them. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose JSS1, and we're going to move them to JSS1. So 3 students, Nancy, Mandela, and Marta. So once I click on them, then I move them. It's going to say successful, and then they're no longer enrolled in this class again. So if we just go back a few steps and try to get to where JSS1 is. So here we have 3 students in JSS1. Yeah, so once we receive them in JSS1, they're here this way, and so right now I am going to withdraw them out of this JSS1, as an assumption is that they have left their school and no longer coming back. So to withdraw a student, just click on it, and then go back to the move student, and then the student is already enabled once you get to this point. So at this point, to withdraw a student, I'm going to go to withdraw student from class. I'm going to withdraw Mandela and Marta. So Mandela and Marta are withdrawn. Move students to withdrawal. That is Mandela and Marta. And then, so this operation, it's going to require you to type in proceed. So I type in proceed. It's going to tell you over here at the top. So once I've typed that, then I click OK, and it should take them out. So now these students are no longer, Mandela and Marta are no longer enrolled in any class again. And then from here, I want to do a demonstration of promoting promoting Nancy to as a graduated alumni. So I just click on Nancy and click on the move students again. And then this time I select the students. The students are already selected, but then I choose the class and I just select on graduate to alumni. So on graduate to, once I select on graduate to alumni, this button here, move one student, becomes enabled, and then I can click on it. And once I click on it, it's also going to ask me to type proceed again, and then I click proceed. So now Nancy is now an alumni. So that's how we promote to the alumni section, or bucket, or categorization, or that's how we make a student an alumni. So we want to only make students that have completed JSS as alumni, and not try to do this for other students that have are still in other classes. So one last thing I'm going to demonstrate is bringing them back to the class. So our reinstating withdrawn student. So to do that, I'm just going to go over to JSS2, and then just assume that with that assumption that probably some time have passed. So we are receiving the 2 new students, that is Mandela and Marta, who withdrew. No, I cannot use this. It's just not set up, so I'm not going to use that again. So I'm just going to use one of the previous classes. Let's see, class 1. Yes, let's assume a strange kind of promotion happens, so we're going to use class 1. Sorry, just to avoid confusion, I'm just going to use class 4 as we were using before. So in class 4, I'm just going to reinstate the withdrawn students or some withdrawn students, and they probably come back into the school and want to add them back into this class. So to do that, you're going to have to click on this blue button over here, which allows you to add withdrawn student back to the class. And what it does is it loads all, it brings this pop-up here, and there's a search feature, and then down here is a list of all the students in your school. So that is all the students from all the terms that have ever been, and then you can search through them. So over here, we want to search for Marta, and this form only allows you to choose one student at a time. So we click on Marta, and then we move them into this class. So it's going to move the student into this class. As you can see, Marta is now back in our class. And then the last thing we're going to do is bring back Nancy. Sorry, bring back Mandela. So there is Mandela, and then we now go to click on this, and it brings back Mandela. So that is a quick demonstration of it, of these new features, and thank you for watching.